Morning, I hope you're doing good. Today I am painting the brick wall by where the spa pool used to be. This is how much kitchen cupboard paint we had left over, so it was kind of like a no-brainer not to use it up on the back wall. Like, look how much we didn't use basically. And I think it will look quite cool because there's green in the background. Anyway, I'll keep going. So I've just been putting these covers back on the electrical things. So I've still got these ones to go. If you remember the light shades that I bought a while ago for the kitchen, and I tried to put them up not realising that I didn't buy the adapters, because I just presumed that things like adapters would come with it if I needed them. Didn't know. I've just got the adapters, but I was just cracking up laughing because they haven't even put it in a box. It's just wrapped in bubble wrap. But that's fine. It's still got here. Oh well. So this apparently is what I need to keep that on the ceiling. Okay, we just put that one up as a test. It is how it goes. My husband worked it out. I couldn't work it out. Oh my goodness. We just thought we'd try it before the ceiling gets painted tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Good morning, I hope you're doing well. I've just come outside to check on the paint to see how it's looking the next day. My husband just did one coat yesterday afternoon. It was like full on the squares. It's a little bit patchy, I'll have to tell him. Just like touch that up. I was going to paint these cinder blocks here, but we're not going to do that now. It's fine. They kind of go with the table, don't they? This is the last day of one of the builders coming over, so we've got 8 hours work. That's kind of all we needed, and just, you know, them being busy, we just needed one more day, so today's it. So yeah, I'll let you know what happens today. And we've got like about three crucial things that we'd really like done, that we kind of, it's not that we can't do ourselves, but we just wouldn't do a very good job of it, if that makes sense. I am intending to do a walkthrough of my house in the next few days, so that's exciting. I don't think I've ever shown the whole house. Like, I used to be on Instagram, and then I decided to do YouTube, and I love YouTube. I loved Instagram, but I just love YouTube a lot. So I may make another Instagram one day. I'll just let you know if I ever do, if you're into Instagram. So yeah, it's raining, guys. I have to give you the weather report, which is nice because my little lavender plant's got some water, saved me doing it. And I think we just might do the pool also ourselves, clean it out. Yeah, we haven't got so many little things to do now, but yeah, we're just about there, 99% there. Okay, my dresser has been the last thing on the list forever, and they've got a clean bonnet. I'm so happy. The ceiling has been painted. I wanted to show you with the lights up and everything, but it needs to dry for 24 hours before we put the lights up. It's looking so much better. There was a big patch over there for years where I tried to paint it, and I'm quite short, and it was just like a disaster. Anyway, the work has officially finished. It's over. The renos have been completed. I'm really looking forward to doing a walkthrough and showing you my house, but I will do that when the house is exceptionally tidy. I don't want to do that when it's not, but yeah, seriously, I will record that in a few days, and I can't wait to show you. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.